When we hover over an icon in Microsoft Project, by default we see the name of the screen tip and quite a lengthy description of what it does. Now that can be useful, especially if we're hovering over an icon we don't often use. But in day-to-day use of icons that we use all the time, these screen tips can be a bit annoying. In this video, I'll show you how you can reduce the screen tips to just the name of the icon and the keyboard shortcut if applicable, or how to remove the screen tip altogether in Microsoft Project.
For details of our half-day and full-day training on Microsoft Project, see the description below. Now, let's return to Alan.
Okay, so here we are in our Microsoft Project plan, and at the moment, if I hover over an icon, I see the name of the icon and quite a lengthy description of what the icon does. But we have some options on what we see, and we can select which option we like by going to the File tab and clicking on Options. Now, depending upon your screen resolution, you may need to select More first and then Options. The General tab is usually the default tab that's open, but if it's not, that's the one we pick. And we're looking for the User Interface section, and we can see the default of Show Feature Descriptions in Screentips. If we drop this down, we could select Don't Show Feature Descriptions in Screentips, which I'll select and click OK. Now when we hover over an icon, we do see the name of the icon and the keyboard shortcut if that's applicable, but there's no lengthy description anymore. Now there's a third option, and that's to remove the screen tip altogether. Again, we select File, Options, remembering that we might need to choose More first. We look for the General tab, the User Interface section, and this time we can select Don't Show Screen Tips. When we click OK on that and return to our project plan, now when we hover over an icon, there aren't any screen tips showing. Now, I would imagine most people can live with the screen tips exactly as they are, but if you do want to change how they're displayed, now you know how to in Microsoft Project. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, just imagine what it would be like to attend a full day's training with me on Microsoft Project. I deliver bespoke training courses in classroom situations where we really concentrate on the elements of Microsoft Project that are important to you and your business. If getting your team together in one place, of course, is problematic, then I can deliver across Zoom as well. Either way, spending that amount of time immersed in the MS Project really elevates your skill sets, which in turn is good for your business. If you'd like to know more about these formal courses, or anything else for that matter, then my contact details are on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.